Once your website is built correctly, there's a new question that matters. How do we keep everything accurate and working without adding more work for our staff? That's what our Action service is designed to solve. Action is about execution and operations. It keeps your website, your reviews, and your AI presence accurate and up to date continuously. With Action, we manage your Google review responses, handle full website maintenance and updates, and monitor how your business is being interpreted across search and AI systems. We give your team our text-to-web app, so real-world updates like weather changes, delays, or announcements can be sent directly to your website, socials, and AI without logging into systems. We also manage and tune your AI agent over time, so it keeps giving accurate answers based on what's actually happening at your course. Action builds on Aware and Enhance. Aware handles understanding, Enhance fixes the structure, Action keeps the system running. If you're asking how to keep everything working without constant effort, Action from smbGOLF is your answer.